Hello, I'm Jody Wolf, and you're watching Expoz on June 9, 2017, 2:41 a.m. Topic, guess you're wondering why you're seeing a picture of a crashed airplane. Well, a couple of reasons. One, I finally reserve myself to the fact that I don't believe we will see an RV of the Iraqi dinar. There are multiple reasons. One, which is the least, they keep telling tales that ISIS is out when they're not. The fighting over there, although it's isolated in small pockets, there's a tremendous amount of building going on, more so than ever in the history of that country. Bigger and better, and a lot of it. Another reason, the oil price remains at around $50, and the prediction that it will stay there for an indefinite period of time is high, meaning that we should stick around $2 or so for our cost, and we may not see our cost go to $4 or $4.50 again. And that's good for everyone, and I choose to stay there personally. And the fact that it is at $50 a barrel, that's bad for the RV. They need $100 a barrel to justify, according to them, but that's just another excuse. It's not a fact. The biggest thing is the value of the American dollar. It is high. And I keep seeing that the crash is right around the corner, but also keep hearing and seeing that the value of the American dollar is at its highest. If not, then we've seen since Reagan, then maybe even higher at that time. And with the American dollar at an all-time high, why in the world should Iraq RV? That's a good question. The fact is, they shouldn't. When they can do better on the American dollar than they can even if they RV'd. Keep in mind, if they RV'd, it would have to be at a ridiculous low amount, or if they wanted to come out 330 to what it went down as per dinar, $3.30 American dollars, with the value up as great as it is, that amount would change probably by at least $1.30, because we're not talking about real value, real terms. We're talking about what it can buy Iraq, what our dollar can buy, opposed to what theirs could buy, even if they RV'd. It would still purchase more for them if they stayed on the American dollar. And it appears that may be something that they'll decide to do. And last, I believe we're truly in the end days. I believe that the fall has begun, and I believe that our time is going to end soon. When I say soon, the next year or two or three or four. There's too much going on that would keep the church positioned here on earth. And there's too much that needs to happen and take place in order for time to continue for earth to be, the church to be here on earth. So the church would have to be removed so that Satan can get his 3.5 years. And he is pestering the hell out of the world right now. And with that, he has already captured the liberal in every sense of the word, whether it be media, whether it be the Democrats, whether it be half the Senate, Congress, and part of the Republicans. The liberals have been bought. They owe those who paid them. And those who paid them are the Illuminati. And the Illuminati are the very ones that are ushering in the end days. So I'm waving goodbye to the Iraqi dinar, and I don't believe that I will see it. Although Baghdad, 50 miles north of Baghdad, a little bit northwest, will be the seat for a time for the Antichrist. And that'll make Iraq extremely valuable. But they don't have to RV to be a very wealthy country. They're doing well enough on our dollar as we speak. So why RV? Jody Wolf, Expoz. I hate to tell you this, guys, but this is what I'm looking at. Jody Wolf, Expoz.